In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit existing images with Midjourney. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow to remix an image you find on Midjourney's site using the original prompt as your starting point. This is a great way to learn prompt writing, explore styles, and quickly iterate without starting from a blank page. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This just gives us a neutral starting point and helps you reach the official site without typing long addresses. In the Google search bar, type Midjourney. Take a quick glance at the results and look for the official Midjourney domain. This helps you avoid impersonators or outdated links. If you see ads at the top, skip past them and choose the official result. Click through to the Midjourney website. Depending on when you visit, you may land on a homepage or the Explore section. If the site asks you to sign in, follow the on-screen prompts and then continue. Once you're in, look for the Explore area, where you can browse top or trending creations from the community. Now, click on any image that catches your eye. Pick something close to the look or subject you want to achieve. Keep in mind, you aren't literally altering the original file. You're generating a new image informed by the original prompt. It's a powerful way to learn what went into a result you like while creating something uniquely yours. Always respect usage guidelines and community rules when remixing public prompts. On the image page, find and click on the prompt. This reveals the exact text that produced the image and often opens an editor so you can work with it directly. Reading the prompt carefully helps you understand the key ingredients, such as subject, mood, lighting, and style references. Next, edit the prompt to describe the change you want. Be clear and specific. You might swap the subject, alter the environment, change the time of day, or refine the art style. If you want a different composition, mention details like close-up, wide shot, or overhead. You can also adjust descriptive terms for texture, color palette, or atmosphere. Small, intentional edits often produce the most controllable results. When you're ready, click Submit. Midjourney will generate new variations based on your edited prompt. Give it a moment to process. If the output isn't quite right, tweak a few words for clarity or emphasis and submit again. Iteration is part of the creative process, so refine, resubmit, and compare results until you land on the look you want. And that's it. Browse, open the prompt, edit with intent, and submit to see your updated image come to life.